You already know you should be investing. You've known for years, so why aren't you? It's not laziness. It's not ignorance. Your brain is literally designed to protect you from it. Every time you get close, your brain whispers, wait, not yet, maybe next month. And you listen. And another month disappears. But here's what your brain never tells you. Staying still isn't safe. Staying still is the risk. Your brain remembers every market crash, but it forgets every recovery. The people who built wealth weren't smarter. They weren't luckier. They just started scared. They clicked the button while their hands were shaking. If investing scares you, staying broke should terrify you. You don't get financially free by waiting for the perfect moment. You get there by starting in an imperfect one. Your brain lied to you. Now you know. Go take the first step. I'm Professor Paycheck. Bad drawings, good money lessons.